Alright, welcome back to the channel. We finally got big CITRA all situated, motors back together, rear end is back together, new rear bearings throughout, the motor got a new top end. If you watched the old videos, I had machined the cylinder down so that we could get compression. Tony's doing the first test ride on it. What you just saw was the first heat cycle. Got a quick little 3-minute video, not very long. Watch it all the way through. It's short. Got good side-by-side riding with it. I got on a 230 and kind of did a little side-by-side deal. Tony giving a little update.
It feels smoother. It's like you don't have to push it as hard to go quicker, faster, you know?
And back off he goes. This thing runs and rides amazing. It's a cheapy top end kit that's needed super modded to fit, but we got it all back together. Everything is all squared. He's giving it a good little test ride, ripping around the back track. Yep, this is the motocross track, and it has been growing in well. Lots of grass. Not getting so much ride time anymore, but still using it when we can, how we can. It's always going to be good for test drives. Got a bunch of other videos of this thing on the channel. Really appreciate everybody clicking on the video. He's going to be trying to run over a little mini quad here in a little bit. Kind of funny, really interesting. If you saw the thumbnail, then you know. This thing's got a 60% gear reduction. That is off of the crank to the clutch basket. Replace the clutch basket gear and the output gear. Give you 60% gear reduction internally. Does not change any of the external gearing or transmission gears. So all of the stress from those 35-inch tires goes through the entire drive line, even on the clutches. So while these things look really neat, they are high maintenance and they demand a lot out of the engines. Still a lot of fun. He's got a pond, he's gonna go sink it in. If you've seen Marcus on Big Bird or William with the Big Red, yep, you've seen what these guys do. You have a lot of fun on these trikes. I have a lot of fun building them. We're gonna run over a little mini quad because we got one tucked away underneath a tree. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Closing up on the video. A little bit of push, a little bit of climb. A little bit of yee-yee. Can we get a yee-yee down in the comments? You guys are the best. We got memberships available. You want to help out the channel? Go through, watch as many videos as you can, see if we get the watch time up and get this channel monetized. The more you watch videos, the better we do. See you guys later.